Hey guys, finally finished up this condo rehab. I think it's took me about a month. I'll show you outside. It's cold out here, so I'm gonna be quick. Painted the garage door. Did a little bit of mulch yesterday. Not a lot available in my area yet as far as flowers, but I used what I could get. Put in a new post, painted that. Then we bondoed up this door, and every time I do it, after we paint it, we find more dents, but it's much better than it was before. On the inside, of course, we painted all the trim, new outlets and switches, and then I took this is a doorbell. I just spray painted that. It looked really nasty before. These lights, I think I put 7 of these in. Not something I would use in a rental because when they go out, they're the fixed LED, but I think they're pretty good in this application. 20 bucks on Amazon, so not bad. I'll leave a link below if I think about it. Of course, put in a new water heater with an expansion tank. I couldn't get the old one to stop leaking. Back here, we actually painted the entire closet. Same thing on this door, painted it. We didn't do a whole lot in the garage, just patched up a few holes and put a quick coat of paint on the wall. That was about all we did in there. The bathrooms, you'll see a common theme. So we put in new flooring, new toilets, put that same light fixture in all the bathrooms, and then I painted the cabinets. Knobs are new. I couldn't find new hinges, so I just spray painted those. And also, if you remember, this was gold before. I used the same spray paint and spray painted that to make it match the other hardware a little bit better. Of course, new carpet throughout. I'm gonna try not to walk on the carpet because I like the lines that cleaner left in that. And of course, new lights in here. I fixed all the windows. My window guy, for whatever reason, didn't want to do it, so I ended up doing it. Big job was in here. So replaced all the cabinets, new countertops, and then the range hood that was left here was missing parts, so I put in a new microwave. Of course, new faucet. This light, I used this on my last project to get rid of the fluorescent light. I think it looks really good. It came from Amazon too, like $50, but much better than having a fluorescent fixture up there. It looks a lot newer, and it's a lot easier for the people living here to change the bulbs. It's just a cheap fixture from Lowe's. Put in new bifold doors. The tenant said that the old ones were up in the attic. We couldn't find them, so we just bought new doors. This door I was really worried about fitting it in the hole, but it wasn't too bad. We had to cut the siding a little bit, but other than that, it went in pretty easily. Walk around the edge so I don't mess up the lines. Back here, we ended up building a new door, replacing these 2 panels and just the board on the bottom of that one. And then for the ceiling and siding out here, we just cleaned it with 30-second cleaner. I asked the owner if he wanted to replace that ceiling fan. He didn't want to, so we left it. Let's go upstairs. Of course, we fixed the giant holes that the tenant left. We figured out those were all punch marks. At least that's what we think. It was a giant one here too. And then of course around all the doors had punch marks. So we fixed all those. Use those same light fixtures up here. It's the same story in this bathroom. New floor, painted cabinets, same light fixture. The owner decided to leave the tubs, so that's what we did. We just got a cheap shower curtain to kind of conceal it a little bit. Back in this bathroom, we went back with bifold doors. I think they're silly for a bathroom, but that's what was there for 30 years, so we just went with it. It's pretty much the same thing in here. We did put a new countertop in here and same light fixtures. I patched this tub up. Just some fiberglass patch from Lowe's, and I really can't even find the holes, so that looks pretty good. This tub looks pretty rough. Hopefully it doesn't impact the sale of the property. I don't know if I mentioned we did replace that countertop. Back in these bedrooms. Didn't have to do a lot in here, just some patch, new light fixture. Patch paint, new light fixtures, pretty much all we had to do in these two, well, in all the bedrooms, honestly. Anyhow, that's the tour. Love to hear what you guys think about it in the comments below, and leave me any questions you have, and I'll see you guys on the next one.